Hello, I'm Rob with CFS. Today we're going to be introducing a new product. It's a zero clearance fence. This happens to be the RIDGID model R4221. In this video we're going to show installing it. We've already, to save a little time, we've installed the left fence already. We're going to go ahead and install the right fence. With this kit, we provide in this kit all the hardware necessary and the wrench to go ahead and install it. And then once you tighten it down, you can go ahead and slide it to your blade, set it back a little bit. We recommend, if you have the table insert, that you cut this and then you're able to adjust this to the table insert, setting it back. Or if you don't buy this, if you just buy the fences, that you set it just back a little bit from your saw blade. Sometimes when you cut fast, you can get a little bit of blade deflection. But that is the zero clearance fence for the model number RIDGID R4221. If you like our content, would you click subscribe and share? If you need the best, you can't get any better than CFS. Thank you.